Hey, Ruben here with Glass Magic Professional. You recently shared some fantastic feedback about our one-step advanced rock chip repair resin. Some of the concerns technicians were challenged with when using our resin was after the fact that the rock chip had been filled, they noticed that the resin would not fill the area where the rock chip had been drilled, creating an air bubble or an air pocket due to the thin viscosity. If a technician is needing to drill the rock chip completely, meaning where the bit has traveled halfway through the first layer, after this procedure is done, you are left with a small tunnel or a small crater where the drill bit has traveled into the first layer of the windshield. Normally, a pit filler would be used at this point, but our one-step resin eliminates this process. Here's a quick demonstration of how our technicians apply the cellophane or the Mylar tab under the rock chip that has been drilled out and repaired, and it's on its final stage to be cured using a black UV light or the sun's UV rays. Method number 1. When the bridge is removed, apply the cellophane or the Mylar tab against the cylinder. Remove the bridge and use the excess resin from your cylinder and apply the tab. The thin resin will force the air bubble out, eliminating the pit filler. It is now ready to be cured. Method number 2. If you do not have enough excess resin in the cylinder when removing the bridge, take your cellophane or Mylar tab and apply 1 to 2 drops of our Glass Magic Professional resin to force the air bubble out. Once again, you are now ready to cure the repair.